So testing out my preps and busted out my solar panel and hooked it up to my battery and started charging my battery, testing it. And also need, yeah, we're going to test how sharp the sword is too. This is a one-of-a-kind handmade saber made in Oklahoma. That's packing tape. Look how sharp that is. You did a pretty good job. It is not for you know, zombie slaying or anything like that, but as far as cutting flesh, it has a very long cutting edge, and as you can see, very sharp, because he sharpened it and then I sharpened it. Now we're going to test sharpness on this. I bought this off Amazon for a little over $100. It's the Manganese steel two-handed sword, single edge, because that's what I prefer. It came pretty sharp, and then I went to town with my whetstone. Oh, by the way, these come water jetted. You know what a water jet is? Yeah, those are the marks. I don't know if the camera will focus on that. I don't see how I'll focus. Focus, focus. You can do it. You know you can. There it went. See, that's water jet edge, front and back. See, that's water jet edge. Anyway, this came pretty sharp, but I made it even sharper. See? And that's barely putting any weight on it, because this is a 3.8 pound sword. There we go. Comes wrapped in this nice leather. I wear the leather gloves because you can still feel the steel around through it. Swinging this thing around all the time, because it is almost 4 pounds of chopping power. Pick it up on Amazon. A little over $100. I don't know what they are now. I'm gonna have to find a screenshot for it. And this Manganese Amazon chopper comes in this nice leather sheet that is slit along the back all the way to there, so you can slide it out real easy. It's got a belt loop, quote unquote, but I'd like to fashion it to the back of my tactical vest somehow. Like and subscribe for more crazy ideas that I do. I made a Warhammer. Ask me about it. It's pretty cool. Love y'all. Oh, on sale. Yeah, it's $84. Yeah, I couldn't remember how much I paid for it, but around $100. But I guess I paid less than. But they're on sale. Check them out. They are interesting swords. They're all cut on a water jet, like I said, water jet, and they come kind of sharp. Have fun.